Walking on the water. In a quaint village, nestled by a lake, tales of an ancient sage, who could walk on water, were passed down through generations. Maya, a curious young girl, heard these tales, and yearned to learn the secret. She approached the eldest villager, hoping for insight. He smiled, and handed her a pair of old shoes, saying they possessed the magic. With hope and excitement, Maya tried them on, and stepped onto the lake, only to find herself sinking. Disheartened, she returned. The elder laughed gently. The secret isn't in the shoes, but in knowing where the stepping stones are beneath the water. Moral of the story is, real magic often lies in knowledge and understanding. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.